Sa mga owner,
Hello, I am Gia Liu. I handle sales, marketing, and purchasing. Hello, I'm Krista Vidara. I handle operations and finance.
Hi, I'm Hilay Glova. I handle HR and research and development.
So for first question is, paano simula yung concept ng Dark Rose? Paano nyo naisip na buuin ito?
Brief lang, brief. Story.
Huwag lahat ako.
Brief story.
Siya daw kuya. So, it just happened over conversation between Gian and myself kasi we always would go out for coffee after lunch or after dinner. And then we said, para in passing, I said, dati ko pa talaga gusto mo itong house since high school. And then he said, di ba kami natin gawin? So, initially, we just wanted a coffee bar and then it blew out of the proportion.
Next natin.
Next question.
So, the next question is, 2 months after the soft opening, ano yung mga nag-progress or mga changes na nangyari sa Dark Rose Coffee?
So we recently had our soft opening ng April and beyond the June na po, during the 2 months na naging operational si Dark Rose Coffee House. So we learned a lot and of course the sales also, the sales increased over time and we are really happy na yung sales namin nag-increase siya because of the walk-ins of the clients and basically yung napadaan lang tapos na-curious and then they became our regular clients already. So that's the side that the clients see, di ba? Pero on the other side, yung sa amin sa internal, of course we learned a lot also in terms of operations, kung paano siya nagiging mas efficient in terms of nagsaserving ng drinks, doon sa preparation, and then sa amin din, as owners, we learned that teamwork talaga is the essential key para maging successful yung isang business.
Next question. Paano na-formulate yung menu and ano yung mga unique items na ginawa mo for Dark Rose?
Kasi ikaw na lang dun sa na-formulate, tapos sabihin mo na lang ano sa akin. We actually really take time to meet up and then formulate it. So from startup, what do we want to achieve in that particular? Do we want the flavor to stand up? Is it coffee? Is it food? So we discuss what we want to achieve and then we really would test every single burger until we come up with something that we're all happy about. Kasi pwede sa kanya okay na, sa akin medyo kulang, adjust until that common ground na okay na, ito na yung winning formula. In addition to that, we really plan to release drinks, a combination of drinks na, of course, may coffee-based tayo, we have non-coffee-based for those na gustong mag sa coffee house, pero hindi ganon ka lover of coffee. And then we also prepared or we also wanted to serve drinks na bagay sa kids kasi meron din tayo mga clients na they could bring their family after dinner or after lunch. So yun yung talagang pinag-air namin. Kumbaga, a coffee house for everyone. Ganon. And then in addition to the menu na meron kami, we also plan to release series. So like right now, we have the coconut series, which consists of 3 drinks. So coconut americano, coconut foam latte, and coconut matcha foam. So that's our take on the coconut flavor na very popular dito sa Philippines. So we would like to invite everyone to try those drinks. And then we also have some of our best sellers na naging
kumbaga crowd favorite kasi surprisingly yung clients na namin yung nagsasabi sa amin na, uy, ito talaga, masarap to, try nyo to. So, for example, we have our double chocolate na drink sa menu and then they would add up sa espresso shot, gano'n. Then, surprisingly, na subscribe na siya through word of mouth na, uy, masarap to, try nyo to dito, parang gano'n. So, ayun. So, we would also like to invite again everyone to try out.
So, paano po sa yung mga reviews na nakukuha niyo? Without ano yung nakukuha yung mga reviews na?
Sige, siya na lang daw po tapos pag may additional. Surprisingly for the reviews, we're happy to report that the clients actually like it. So more than, you know, when they walk in, they like it. And they like the feel. It's very fun, it's very chill, as they say. It's very inviting when you come in. Minsan lang, sometimes they shy away kasi pagpasok, it's just a rush. And they don't know na, ay, malaki pa nasa loob. But once they're inside, sometimes now we have clients stay from opening and closing because that's how we're when it comes to the drinks, we're happy naman at least, you know, we're a coffee house that is not just a setting but because they come back for the drinks because they really like it. And that's something that we really would want to do back. When we started discussing the coordination and discussing the plan of the business, sabi namin, if it's a coffee house, dapat kami. When we say kape, when we say fruit drink, hindi pwedeng nasa gitna. That's what we take for, that's what we're proud of. Nagre-reflect naman siya. In addition to that, another notable review that we often get is yung consistency ng taste. Aside from the quality, of course, gusto natin yung pag-inom natin today, ininom natin kinabukasan, pareho yung lasa. Not because ibang barista yung gumawa, iba na yung lasa niya. And addition to that, yung pag nag-order ka ng hot drink and then you order an iced drink, pareho din yung lasa niya. So we get those review, those feedback from clients. So we're really happy kasi nakikita namin yung result nung ginawa namin ang pag-test na pag nag-hot drink ka, ito yung lasa niya. Tapos pag nag-iced drink ka, pareho pa rin yung lasa niya. So we want to maintain that.
Yung mga ginagamit niyo po locally or locally lahat?
We're really proud to say na yung beans po namin locally sourced. So we don't use imported beans. So support local.
Tapos yung mga pastries lo kayo nagbe-bake?
Pinag-suggest po sa akin. So it's made at home.
Tapos po, bakit po sa Maginhawa?
So when we started, we were just trying to look for places around. So we explored Antipolo, Manila, Pasig, Katipunan, Balawe, Timog, Tomas Morato. And so it's a widespread. What shied away from Antipolo and Manila is the thought that not every commoner or everyone would go up to Antipolo on a weekday. So sabi namin, maybe the business is good on weekends, pero pag weekdays medyo hindi siya ganun. Hindi naman lahat aakyat na Antipolo. And then we noted na before talaga food hub na sa Maginhawa. And then after pandemic, medyo nag-die out. And we said, parang nabubuhay na ulit, so let's try. And when there was one time we had dinner dyan sa Ohio, tapos pagkatapos sa amin yung dinner, wala na kung papuntahan ng coffee shop. Eh kami na, we always want to go for coffee. So we said, I think sige, try natin, bakit hindi naman sa and then luckily we found this one. Parang it was, the stars aligned to give us this space.
Ano yung masasabi niyo yung pinaka-unique ng dark roast sa ibang coffee shop?
Sorry, lalo ko sinasabi ko ito. Pero sige, alam ko na yung client mo. Sige. For Dark Roast Coffee House, like I mentioned earlier po, no, yung quality and consistency talaga pinaglalaban namin. Be it coffee-based drink or non-coffee drink, talagang yun yung gusto namin na ma-feel ng client. Yung quality, yung hindi sila tinipid. Like, happy kami as owners to see them happy also drinking our drinks.
Yun. So, what would maybe separate us from others? I think that would really be the high quality na materials namin sa meals, sa syrup, and everything else. We highly encourage everyone to try our drinks, and when you try it, really take a mouthful of the coffee or the non-coffee. As in, mouthful ka talaga. And then, pag nilunok mo siya, ma-feel nyo yung layers. For example, when you drink salted caramel, take a mouthful and then ma-feel niyo yung layer of the saltiness, the sweetness of the caramel, the milk, the coffee. So, yun yung gusto namin. Kumbaga, there's a play inside the mouth. Not just pag inom natin, fully more okay, so, gusto namin yung medyo may wow factor, di ba? When you take a mouthful. So, yun. Most of our clients agree na talagang na-feel nila yun, na-experience nila yun. So, I hope everyone else will.
Tell us more about your team, yung mga barista nyo. Dumami na rin ba kayo in your recent months of population?
As far as that team is concerned, the same team as we had since the start. So what we do, one of the highlights is the fact that we didn't get our regular staff. So instead, we wanted them to grow with us. So lahat sila, they went on the same training we did, and then the formulation was shared with them the way that we had. So parang at least yung experience na pinagdaanan namin as house owners, nadaanan nila. Dahil galing sa ibang sila barista. So, and at least that's something that we're really proud of. Kasi yung sabi ni Gian, the consistency of the drinks, hindi siya iba. Diba, ang timpla ni Ana sa timpla ni Brian, hindi iba ang timpla ni Eric sa timpla ni Brian. So that's really something that we really proud of.
Ano na lang yung personal siguro naman nakakasagot lang kayo. Baka naman favorite to yun. Diba? Diba naman?
Actually, favorite yung double chocolate na pa. And sa akin, like yung express kasi mas gusto ko yung chocolate. I try yung
Pero old.
Surprisingly, I would say matcha. And the reason why I say it's surprising for me kasi ako talaga yung coffee drinker kami ni John. But the reason why I say matcha is because I am not a matcha person. Tapos when we were trying to discuss maybe coffee, siya talaga, si Gia talaga yung convince na kailangan may matcha kasi most coffee houses would have matcha. And the reason why I like matcha personally is because kahit na sino na sinabi na hindi ko gusto ang matcha, when we offer our matcha, they say, but this is something I can have. Maybe not their favorite, but kung sila nakakon, it's something that they would appreciate. So, yun yung something na personally I was awakened to kasi hindi talaga ako matcha. And then now that we have the matcha, it's even better. I hope you like it.
Hindi po ako gaya-gaya. Pero yun din po talaga yung consistency. The consistency. Obviously, joke. Pero personally yun, mentioned naman po, I really insisted on offering yung matcha. Pero para na lang maiba yung sagot ko sa sagot niya. Maybe cliche pero Spanish latte. I would really say na yung Spanish latte namin is different from other coffee shops na Spanish latte. And even better when you salt them with oat milk. So, mas malinamnam siya. And promise, maubos yung agad yung isang cup.
That's it. Parang to invite everyone to visit Narcos Cafe and also share your social media. Pero yung promo. Kung gusto niya hati-hatiin niya, diba?
Sabi na kayo.
Kaya na po nila. Hindi mo kami ni Johnny.
We're inviting everyone to visit Narcos Cafe at
Isa na talaga sa mga.
Ito, tingnan mo yung kwento
Dark Roast Coffee House. Sasabihin yung location. Alam yung location?
Tapos papakita kayo sa mga social media accounts na follow.
So, yun na lang yung social
Tapos
media.
you can say we are open every day from 1 p.m. to 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Sabi mo yun.
Sige.
We are open. Yan. Tapos
Practice.
ikaw, magsasabi yung promo mo, gano'n. Tapos ako na lang magsasabi ng social media. Magkano'n gusto mo. Okay.
Okay.
Huli ka na.
Okay.
Practice ba?
Practice.
Practice
Sige,
sige.
practice na rin. Practice na rin.
We would like to invite everyone